Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen, where we make delicious Instapot food. We eat it with chopsticks. Can we do it over?
Why?
Because it's not hot yet. It'll start getting all yellow and green and purple. I see it. Hi, and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen, where we make easy, delicious food using the Instapot. My name is Tina Bear, and today we are making Italian pepperoncini beef. We're going to use the Instapot. The longest part is going to be browning the beef. If you don't want to take the time to do that, go ahead and throw everything in, set it for 60 minutes, you'll be good to go. We're going to brown our meat though. I'll show you what it looks like. We're going to turn the Instapot on to saute and add the oil. And then I got my tongs. We're going to salt and pepper the beef. Give it a little bit of flavor. Now we're gonna brown in batches because it's just too much beef. It won't get brown in here. It'll start cooking. So we're gonna go ahead and continue by salting and peppering beef. And just stir it up a little bit. Just doing the top portion first. There you go. Hear that sizzle? Perfect. And one layer at a time. Yum. Now you can make this and you can have it with a side of veggies, some mashed potatoes, or when you're done, you could go ahead and put it on a French roll. Oh, so good. Just like that. Ooh, it smells yummy. I'm going to do the next batch, and we are going to salt and pepper it. Get it all ready. So when you turn it over, it's going to be nice and brown. Okay, that looks amazing. Amazing. This is our last bit of beef. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Now, of course, this is a lot of beef. It's about 3 pounds. I'm gonna add a little, 1 cup of beef broth. And we are going to deglaze the pan. So we are deglazing the pan. Just like that, all those yummy little bits. Just like that. Adds all the flavor to it. Then we're going to add 1 medium onion. And this is about 1 ounce of ranch seasoning. We're going to add that in there. And we are going to add some au jus mix. Or if you have some gravy, go ahead and throw that in. A little bit of dried minced onion, some Italian seasoning. I have pickled jalapeños. These are like pickled in a brine. So good. We're going to add those in a minute. Stir it up. It already smells so good. You could make the sauce and just pour it over a steak. It's yummy. I have 3/4 cup of the pepperoncini liquid that comes in the jar, and it adds that little bit of a salty bite. And then we're going to pour all of the beef back in. We're not going to pour it in. We're going to layer it in. Just like that. Scoop it in. Yum. Then we'll stir it up. There you go, just like that. Pour the rest in. Get it all covered with that sauce. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. That's it. Then we're going to add some jalapenos on top, some pepperoncinis. Put the lid on. Seal the pressure seal to close. Press the plus sign, go all the way up to 60 minutes. It's 1 hour. Let it go. We're going to let it naturally release. Well, like naturally release for about 10 to 15 minutes because you don't want all that liquid spewing out. And then we'll take out the rest of the pressure, serve it up with some mashed potatoes. It's going to be delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to see how delicious this is. Now you can see with your eyes, I release the rest of the pressure. Ah, smells amazing. And you can see the pepperoncinis. The meat is falling apart. You could only imagine this on a roll, but I eat it just like this. I have some mashed potatoes I made in the Instapot, super easy. Let me get a pepperoncini. The pepperoncinis just add that extra salty bite to it. Okay, let's put a little bit of parsley on it. Eat with your eyes first. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Now it's not spicy. It just adds that flavor to the meat. It's so tender, and I love the butter and the mashed potatoes. It's so good. I hope you try it. It's really delicious. This one's mine. So I hope you guys try it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. So good, so delicious, so easy. If you are into meal prepping or just want to feed people, this is the perfect recipe. Let me know what you think. Be kind to each other. I'll talk to you next time.